Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Here's my massive tribute here with me today, and we are going to be doing the engine air filter. Hey everyone, so we are looking at our engine bay. Now the air filter is usually inside the air intake box that is connected to the engine via a tube, which is in my case this for a 2000 massive tribute. If you have another type of vehicle, the idea is the same. So from the engine, tube, and then the box, and that would be your air filter. Now we wouldn't be needing any tools because it's a simple plug and play, drop in, drop out kind of thing, the air filter. And so yeah, let's get on it. Okay guys, so we are looking at our air intake box. For me, I usually take off my MAF sensor, which is right there, because we are going to be doing a lot of wiggling, and since this is an older car, I don't want to break any plastics or clips that connects it to the air intake box. So let's get on it. Okay guys, we're looking at the MAF airflow sensor and the tube and the throttle body and the air box. In order to get it out of the way for us to replace the filter, we're going to be undoing the MAF sensor first, because we're going to be doing a lot of wiggling, and since it's an older car, we don't want to break off any plastic or anything like that. So press in and off like so. We undo the box and we go through here and undo this with the flathead. Undo our air tube that connects to the throttle body like so. Get the airflow sensor out of the way. Vacuum hose. Just take it off like that. Wiggle it out of the way. And we're off. The filter will be right there. The one with the white part out. So now, Mata. Now there's a bunch of aftermarket parts, but if you can get OEM, go for OEM. Take this out. Ooh, nice. Nice and clean. Now remember how you take off the old one? That way you know how to put in the new one. And like so. Holy, look at that everyone. Nasty, nasty color yellow. With some leaves. Not sure if you can see it. Oh, there we go, some leaves. So in changing your air filter, your car can operate at maximum efficiency and maximum power. Not that this thing is fast or anything, but grab a towel, dry towel, microfiber, and just give it a wipe. This way you know it's nice and clean. Again, comparison. Let's put in the new one. Drop it in like so, and now time to put back the air box cover and put it back just the way you took it out. Clip it in, make sure to check the underneath if there's any opening, that way you can readjust if need be. There we go. Don't forget flathead. Tighten back in. and put back the tube. The vacuum line. Sorry. Lastly, our lap sensor. That goes on like so. And that's how you change your air intake filter. Get rid of the old one, and like a habit of mine, I usually write it down on a notebook in your car. That way you know the mileage and the time, the date that when you did yours. So that way you can plan your next one when the time has come.